Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like a stopwatch or a timer to your videos on CapCut PC. Just have this video here. I'm just going to scale it down a little bit, and I'm going to select the blend mode, and I'm going to select the soft light one. I think I'm just going to adjust this a little bit. I'm then going to select the mask section, and I'm going to select the rectangle one, and I'm just going to kind of make a round edge square so it looks more aesthetic. I'm just going to place it down here. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. You can adjust the opacity here if you'd like to. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!